Manchester United fans, I hope you're having a good morning. And Manchester City fans, it gets worse because it seems that City was on the verge of signing one Cristiano Ronaldo, but now he has made a U-turn after getting a phone call from Sir Alex Ferguson. And the contract from United is on the table, and it looks like Ronaldo is going home. From a football fan perspective, even though I'm not a fan of either club, kind of leaves you with a warm feeling in the heart to see Ronaldo going back to United. For opposing fans, this might not be might not be the best news. Not what you want to hear this morning at all. After having him out of the league for so long, now he's coming back. Will he be the same? He's a much older player now, and the league is, as we know, probably the most physical football league on the planet. All right, so we're going to go into this article from the Manchester Evening News. It says Cristiano Ronaldo is lined up for a sensational return to Manchester United after Manchester City declared they have no interest in signing the player. The 36-year-old was being tipped for a move to the Blues after making it plain he wants to leave Juventus, and the Italian club wants him off their wage bills. Well, seems like that didn't work out. City sources say that Ronaldo's agent, George Mendes, offered the player to them, but after looking at the possible options following the collapse of their pursuit of Harry Kane, have not gone any further. City's examination of the possibility did not get as far as being a definite plan, and they today pulled the plug on the chances. United responded to the news of City's interest and are now in prime position to step in and take him back to Old Trafford 12 years after he left to join Real Madrid. So there you go, United fans. I guess this is good news for you, something to be happy about. You know what I mean? For the price that I see the player going for, I really cannot see this being a bad deal. It is reported that United put a contract on the table, a 2-year contract. I think he's going for less than 30 million euros, and that is unspeakable. Can you imagine that though? A summer where Lionel Messi leaves Barcelona to join PSG for basically free, and Cristiano Ronaldo going for less than 30 million euros. Who would have thought? So guys, let me know what you think in the comment section, and remember, like and subscribe. And we just hit 1,000 subscribers. I want to thank you guys. We did it in about 5 months. You know what I mean? That is not bad at all. And just remember, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and just share and invite more people. You know what I mean? Let them know that we're out here. We outside. All right, we'll see you next time.